Hello viewers, today I'm going to share a good way to make your USB devices working correctly in macOS Tahoe. First, we will check with Hackintosh if our USB devices are detecting correctly. To do that, download and open Hackintosh and switch to USB tab. If you are seeing devices speed and others showing unknown, that means your USB power is not working correctly and you will not get full speed for your USB 3 devices. As my USB devices are not detecting correctly, I need to fix that. To do that, I'll need usbmap script. Let's download usbmap script from GitHub. I'll share the download link in description. After downloading usbmap, open download folder and run usbmap command from the downloaded usbmap folder. It will be blocked by gatekeeper, so you will need to go to settings, privacy, and security and click on open anyway. After opening usbmap command, press D then press enter. It will show you your connected devices. Now take a USB drive and connect and disconnect to every available ports in your PC, front and back all, and check if they are detected. When all ports are populated inside scripts, press Q then enter to go back to previous menu. Now press P then enter for edit ports and build kext. On this screen you will see your detected ports selected. Make sure all populated ports selected and update your USB 3 ports. To do that, you will need to type T:\port numbers with comma separated value then USB type and press enter. Then you should see those ports set to USB 3. For me, port number 3 and port number 14 is USB 3. Now press K to build the kext. Your generated kext file will be inside results folder. Now mount your EFI folder. I'm using OC auxiliary tools. Make sure to delete any existing usbmap, utbmap, USB toolbox kexts and add our newly generated usbmap kext file. Now save the config and restart your computer. When computer is rebooted, check again with Hackintosh if USB devices are detecting correctly now. As you can see, my devices are showing correctly with their correct speed along with this USB 3 drive with 5 Gbps speed. You can clear and refresh to recheck if the port stays correct. Now this computer's USB power is supplying correctly and all USB devices will be working fine. If you have any questions or confusions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.